weekend, and that means we've got 6 more bundles for you at great prices on the Tonic Studio stores. This week it's a Nuvo marker pen, glitter pen and glue pen special, so let's find out what's in those bundles. In the rainbow pack we have Nuvo alcohol markers in rich reds, fragrant oranges, sunshine yellows, Irish clover, indigo ink, aquamarine, royal purples and rosy pinks. And that's at a price at $33.54, usually $47.92. In our cool pack we have Nuvo alcohol markers in Marina Blues, Stormy Greys, Woodland Greens and Parma Violets. And that's yours for $16.77, reduced from £23.96. In the warm pack we have Nuvo alcohol markers in Coral Reef, Apricot Ombre, Honey Amber and Natural Browns, and that's at the price of $16.77, reduced from $23.96. In the basic tones pack Nuvo alcohol markers we have Cookies and Cream, Pebble Beach, Depth and Shadow and Fair Skin Tones, and that's at the price of $16.77, reduced from $23.96. In our glitter markers pack we have individual glitter marker pens in Athenian Blue, Iced Americano, Morning Moss, Wild Lavender, Strawberry Bonbon and Sweet Apricot, all at the price of $14.66, reduced from $20.94. And finally we have our Nuvo glue pen pack with a smooth precision glue pen, large glue pen and medium glue pen, all at the price of $9.78 from the usual price of $13.97. And there we have it. Those are the bundles for this week. They're only available until Monday, the 3rd of June, so get them while you can. And thank you for joining us.